when we put the Mentos in here, it's gonna blow up. So Chanel, what do you think?
I think it's gonna work.
What do you think?
I think it's not gonna work.
Well then.
Too easy, man. Come on.
Yeah, that's too easy. Now let us show you how it is gonna work, buddy. So let's open the soda. Wait. Before we do that, put the Mentos in here. One. We're putting 5, 2, 3, 4, and 5.
Hey guys, after we do, y'all need to subscribe and like the video.
Alright, let's open it.
Let's
tie it up. It's dead. Hold on. Wait.
That was crazy.
Open it up. Wait, I didn't get to put my head in there. Whoa!
Oh
Look
God.
at that, guys. Oh my God. I wonder if we can try it again. Should we do it again to see if it can work again? Sure, let's go. Alright, this time. 5 is too much. 5's too much.
Yeah.
Actually, let's do 5 again. So then Chad's head will be exploded.
But we can't do it anymore because it got soda. But guys, we can do 10.
Oh, let's eat the gum. Here you go. There's your gum.
Okay.
Hold on, I gotta get some for me and Chanel. Here you go, Chanel. Here's your gum.
I saw that.
That thing was fast.
My hands wet and the tail was wet.
Delicious.
And after we end this thing, we are going to like. I hope you like, subscribe to the video, and we can have some more subscribers. Bye, kids.
And we can do another video of that. And next time, Chad's head is gonna be in there, and his head's gonna be wet. I know it tastes nasty. I agree. It tastes nasty. Guys, you never tried Diet Coke. It tastes nasty.
Don't eat gum and drink soda. It's a good thing.